What's up, guys? Sugar-free rush with sugar-free mango and sugar-free coconut. It's like the ultimate little summer flavors. All right, so I am heading, oh, didn't realize my radio was on. I am heading to Walmart to see if I can find, in my last vlog, I was looking for something at the Dollar Tree for a project, but they did not have what I needed, so I'm gonna pop over to Walmart real quick and just see what they have. And then we possibly might head over to Home Depot for like gardening things, to the garden center. I'm feeling it. Walmart actually has some really cool outdoor toys for kids right now. If I had a little bit more time, I would have browsed a little longer. But they had that frisbee golf set that I was very tempted to grab. I thought that would be like a fun little outdoor activity to do at home. So keeping that in mind for the future, I think it was about $20. And that would be fun. Anywho, and they have a bunch of, what do you call it, like cornhole sets. I grabbed what I needed from Walmart, and I am going to quickly just run to Target because Walmart didn't have the other thing that I needed. Just running around, but that's okay. It's very nice out today, so it's totally fine. What I needed and headed home. I'm starving, so I'm gonna go ahead, run home and make myself some lunch and then do my little mini projects. They're just mini, nothing crazy. I'm just excited. Starving. I'm gonna go ahead and make myself a wrap. I made Sydney a wrap for her school lunch today, and I actually filmed it and posted it as a YouTube short. So I'm not sure if you guys get notifications when I post YouTube shorts or not. I know I never know when the people that I subscribe to have YouTube shorts unless I go on. Anywho, I am going to be trying to post more of those types of videos. So in case you want to turn your notifications on, that might help you. So I'm going to do this, what is this? Sun-dried tomato basil wrap. I have some red pepper hummus, spinach, avocado, cheese, tomato, and I will go ahead and scarf that down and then head to the garage for my little project. All right, so my little project is going to be garage related. The other day, Sydney was playing with her friend and they emptied six like things of bubbles. So bubbles is one of those things that we go through every 5 seconds. How is this dirty already? I just got it. Anywho, I got this at a Walmart for $5. I had seen that they have some at some dollar stores, but I could not find one my last vlog. So I got this one. They have a bunch of different like designs. I wanted just a plain one so that I could label myself, but this is actually pretty cute. So I got a giant thing of bubbles. Can never have enough. From Target for only a few dollars. I'm gonna go ahead and have this be our bubble station. So when Sydney wants to refill bubbles, I don't have, you know, a million things of little tiny bubble cases. I can just pour them in here and she can kind of hopefully figure this out without making a disastrous mess. And I do not use a liquid laundry detergent, but if you do, you can totally reuse one of those containers for bubbles. I think this is going to be so much better. So I have the giant container. Of course, I am keeping some of these because they do have the individual, you know, like the wands in there. But we won't have to have like 5 million of these little ones. And then also, she likes playing with this right here, and these make giant bubbles. I know I've shown them before many times, but this is what her and her friend, it's filthy because they were like leaving it on the grass and things. But that's what her and her friend were playing with the other day. So very happy. Now we have a huge tub of bubbles to get us through the summer. I just have our chalk. We have a ton of random chalk. This is from the bank. Sometimes when we go there in the summer, they give us free chalk. And of course, you know, we collect it because we go through a ton. Now I am gonna go ahead. Sydney has so many little miscellaneous buckets and bins of toys, and we have like beach toys and cups and buckets and just so many of the miscellaneous toys. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do, don't mind this garage, it is obviously so well loved, never been repainted or cleaned. Maybe that will be, who knows. I keep talking about doing my garage and it never happens. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and hang a couple of baskets right here and that I got today. So I went ahead and got these from Target, and I got 2 of them for $2. I thought that these were gonna be they're in the laundry section, by the way, and I know you can grab them anywhere, but I just thought these would be perfect to hang with my little clear like sticky hooks right here, instead of spending $50 on another little unit, you know, like the shelving unit. I thought I would go ahead and use a couple of these. This makes me so happy. You have no idea. These are really, really strong, but I am gonna wait just a few minutes before I go ahead and load the baskets. I've never had any issues using them like right off, but I just wanna make sure of it. So all of Sydney's little, wow, now I can actually sweep down here. All of Sydney's little, you know, these like little random toys that don't necessarily have a spot. I have this basket. This one actually had all of her beach toys, and over the years we've like lost all the beach toys. So all of these just random things, I can go through and throw out the gross things, or, you know, we have enough of the plates and the buckets and things. Oh my word. Again, with Sydney and her collections. So I can go ahead and go through these, keep the things that she uses all the time, like balls. We can never have enough of these. Stick them in the baskets. What I like too is we can just take the whole basket off. She can use whatever is in here, whatever she wants. I gotta take the stickers out. And then we can put it back. This was here when I bought the place, this right here, and I love it because it has these hooks already in it, super sturdy, and I just hang her like baby shopping cart. She still uses, her and her friends sometimes, they'll just, I don't know, run around with these. Her little lawnmower, she still uses sometimes. When she sees some of the younger neighbors taking theirs out, she'll take hers out. She has, of course, her hula hoop, her jump rope. I have her stepping stones right here, but now that I made room underneath my shelves, I can go ahead and move her stepping stones. She has her bike and her scooter here. Oh, I'm so happy. I'm gonna clean this right now. Sydney wants a popsicle, and I got these. I got these on one of our last trips. These are the Good Pops, and they are just 100% juice, no added sugar, but I thought that they were cute because red, white, and blue for Memorial Day and 4th of July. I grabbed a couple of boxes of these, and Sydney is having one now, but she had one the other day when we went to the parade, and apparently they're delicious. Good?
Mm-hmm.
What does it taste like?
Pop brain.
Blue raspberry? Or blueberry?
Pop brain.
Oh, okay. Wow.
go into the spoon chair. They each get a paddle. Yeah. Got it. This one you'll have the ball.
Okay.
Then I'll have the ball. Go. Yes.
That was a really good hit, Sydney.
No,
You have the ball?
Yeah.
We were outside playing very late. So we usually have dinner around 5-ish. So I am just making a super easy dinner. I have some cilantro lime rice. I have a seasoned rotisserie chicken that's out of the oven, and then some leftover green beans that I cooked the other day. So easy, quick dinner, but it's gonna be delicious. This rice is so good. I'm having a sparkling water with mine. I'm having the AHA, what is it, blackberry lemon. I've been obsessed, not just with the AHA flavor of this, but the blackberry lemonade or blackberry lemon flavor in general. Polar has one. I think a couple of others. Anyway, that's just my new favorite right now. I want to go ahead and make a homemade Chick-fil-A sauce. I did post it over on the Lemonade app if you guys aren't following me over there. I did post that a little while ago, but I'm gonna make it to go with my chicken. She's an extra hungry girl. She had a couple of plates of dinner, plus extra of everything. And now she's having some Cheerios and milk.